What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We just finished up another project and we're gonna give you a tour of this whole backyard renovation, but I'm gonna focus in on 5 details that I think particularly set this thing off. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned. Can't wait to show you this. All right, let's show you. Come on. So we're walking into the backyard here. We're coming from the driveway and we've got a nice path. We've got multiple entrances to the space. We can take the paver walkway here. We'll start out on the patio and check it out. Pool's obviously closed right now, so it's not fully set up, but you can imagine if the pool is open, this is gonna be the spot to hang out. And first thing that I think really sets off this whole project is this swinging chair arch. Let me show you. So in the initial design, we had this as a patio section with the fire pit, and we didn't have this in the design yet, and just thought that this space needed a defining touch as the end of the patio. So we incorporated this arch, we built it out of pressure treated Pro wood, wrapped it in Deckorators dark slate, and really just gives this whole space some definition, and obviously the functionality of these swing chairs, which are honestly my favorite. They're so comfortable, so chill, and they're really not expensive. These chairs are about 200 bucks a piece, and this whole arch, really easy to do, and you can add it to almost any project, and it's instantly gonna give you a visual appeal and the functionality. And like I said, these seats, they're my favorite. I'll always choose to sit in them, and turned out pretty sick. So the rest of the patio here, what we did was bump this out. They had an existing patio and it stopped right about here, and then it had some stairs that went down to this area over by the Bilco doors, and it was just not functional at all. There was nothing going on down there. So we decided, let's bump this out and make this space as functional as possible, because this is where people are gonna be hanging out. The second design detail here that I think really sets everything off is the paver detail. So we've got a lot of design details going on here. We've got 3 or 4 different products, and we've got a couple different colors, but we stuck within the same palette. We've got all gray and black tones, so it all goes together really well, but it adds some really cool visual interest here. And this is gonna be a bit of an open space. This is the entrance to the pool area. It's the exit from the deck. And what they're gonna have here is, you know, your lounge chairs on this side, and then maybe a conversation set over here. So the center's still gonna stay open. You're never gonna really be putting furniture right here. So we figured, why not put some visual interest? We can pick up the design that we did over at the fire pit and mimic it over here. So it kind of ties it all together. Really just looks cool, and it's one of my favorite things to do. You know, we can add some different materials, mix them together, and create something really unique and special for the client. Next up, let's go up to the deck. And this is my favorite color combination. This is Deckorators Costa, Khaya, and dark slate. Really looks awesome. You know, it's timeless. It goes with almost any house color. We've got the 2 brown tones, the Costa and the Khaya, which will just always look good on deck because it really mimics the look of natural wood. And then the black accents with the dark slate. I just love that look. Gives it a tiny bit of a modern touch, but black accents still very timeless, so it's not gonna go out of style. So the next design detail that really makes this whole place pop is a detail on this kitchen. So what I really love about this is the waterfall edge that we did right here with the granite countertop. We've got it here, and we've also got it on the bar top over here. So from the front elevation of this project, you see that cascading granite. Looks awesome. This is a slab called Brown Fantasy. Really looks good. Matches a lot of the tones that we have on the deck. It's not too loud and in your face, and it's also light colored, so it's not gonna get too hot in the summer. And in the outdoor kitchen here, we kind of went all out. We've got 40-inch griddle, baby. Sizzle them up. These are becoming more and more popular. A lot of our clients are requesting these. You can cook all kinds of stuff on there. It's good for breakfast. A lot of our clients are coming out and cooking eggs and bacon and everything on there. Smash burgers, really becoming pretty popular. So we're doing a lot of those. And then we decided we're initially just gonna do the griddle. You gotta have a regular grill, you know? toss the burgers on here, hot dogs, all that kind of stuff. And just really ties the whole thing together. It looks cool with the two appliances here. We've also got a fridge. We've got the access doors, just really super functional kitchen space. And we made sure to maintain counter space around each appliance. So you don't want to have your grills too close together because you're not going to have any counter space in between them. And you want counter space on the left and right of each grilling place as well. So here we are. This is really the main attraction here. This is the covered deck portion, and this is where most of the time everyone is going to be hanging out. We've got coverage from the rain, obviously. We've got beautiful, beautiful ceiling and wall detail. We've got the MaximoWood Ayous, and we just did a clear sealer on it, so just all natural. It looks amazing. I love the difference between textures. We've got a smooth texture and we've got the fluted on the wall. It just looks amazing, especially with all the black accents. I think those colors just pair really well. So my next design feature that I think sets this place off is our recessed TV nook. It's not a huge thing, but it's one of those subtle touches that makes this whole space look so much better and gives it depth to it that makes it look custom. So we've got this wall that had to be extra deep for our fireplace. So we decided we don't need it this deep all the way up. Let's create this recessed TV entertainment area. And again, we built this all out of the Maximo Ayous, and it just gives it such a cool look. We've got the TV recessed, we've got space for shelves so they can put, you know, little decorations and stuff, and it just looks like it was made for the space. A lot of times I see a stone wall above a fireplace and the TV kind of sticks out. It doesn't look like the TV was supposed to go there. This looks like it was designed to be in this space because it was. What's next? Am I on the way? Who, a little old me? You're just, okay, you're gonna go behind the camera?
Yeah.
You look like you were just gonna walk right in front of it. Oh, am I in the way? I'm so sorry. Pardon me. Pardon me. The final design detail that is my favorite.
Sorry.
The final design detail here that's my favorite is this custom couch that we built. Custom cushions. Catherine's right there. She'll yell at me if I don't say. She sewed the cushion covers totally custom. So we got the foam, made the cushion covers. It's all sunbrella material. We built the entire structure of the couch out of ProWood and Deckorators. So my favorite thing about this is it's built exactly for this space. So we can maximize every square inch of function here and provide seating for way more people. If we were to just have this deck space and then try to find a couch that fits, we'd get kind of close, but you're not gonna get that maximum functionality that we've got here by building it to the exact specifications. So it turned out amazing. It's super comfortable. We've got a nice low seat. It's very deep, so you can kind of sit back and lounge in it. We've got a slight recline on the back, so it's built like a couch. A lot of times I see people build benches into decks that aren't built like furniture. They're not comfortable. If you're gonna build something like this, make sure that you reference a couch that's in your house that you find really comfortable and mimic those dimensions. So that's what we did here, and it provides seating for at least 8 people. Super comfortable, built in. It's not gonna slide around, and especially with the custom cushions, they span the whole thing, so you're not gonna have that problem. The cushions sliding off, the backrest moving all over. It just really anchors this whole space, and it provides the centerpiece for the whole backyard. People are gonna sit here, watch a movie, watch a sports game, sit here. We've got the bar right behind it, and it's just a perfect outdoor living room, and I think it's the final touch that this space needed to get maximum function out of it and look amazing. So that's about it for this project. It was one that I'm really proud of. I love the design that we came up with. The whole team did an amazing job executing it. And if you're just tuning into this video and you haven't seen the whole build series, check out our channel. We've got videos on every step of this project and a full time-lapse video. So if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe. Give us a comment, let us know what you want to see next, and until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.